So what's up guys, Yavar back again. So in this video I'm going to show you what if you're not getting clicks on your offer or on your affiliate link. Okay, so again, something which I was getting for a while. So if you could look at my screen right now again, so I was making $700, $650, 600. Then I realized my clicks are the same but the sales are not coming in. So I thought something might be wrong, but then I realized maybe it's not converting or something or the other. Okay, so now you could see on May 8th I got 0 orders. The reason for that was I turned off all my advertisement, and the reason for that was, again, my website was hacked. Yes, literally, I'm not joking, it did, and it cost me a lot. Okay, so again, one of my Google ads account was banned, and it said due to circumventing policy, and literally the ads was running, and then I don't know, all of a sudden it got stuck and then it got blocked, and I was wondering what's happening. So I realized my website was hacked. So again, it's a good thing as well. So something bad happens, you should always learn from it, and it's a good thing. So again, as you could see, again, this might be an issue with you as well, where you are spending ad money and you're not getting clicks. So currently so again, this is my website, yavarkhan.com. So I'm just showing it to you. So there was a malware on my website. Yes, there was a malware, which I realized that when someone was clicking on my website, it never used to open it used to go to a spam link. Okay, so literally it used to go on a spam link. And again, so literally I was seeing that I'm getting clicks on my ads but not on the tracking link. So I thought something is off. So I just dig deeper and I was like, what's happening? So I realized on my WordPress website I might have installed some null plugins while testing it, and it just hacked my website, literally, because I could see over here on all options, there is something where your tools. Okay, so literally I could see yeah, your IP. Okay, so again, you could come to know everything what people have done over here. So again, there were some changes over here, unspecified, something like that. So I came to know that someone made changes on my theme page and it was redirecting somewhere else. So this might be the reason where you might not be getting clicks. So don't use null plugins, and also just be careful. Okay, I realized it when my Google ads account got banned, and also I wasted around $300-400 on ads. So again, it's a mistake which I learned, but going forward I would be careful. Hence I paused all my ads. And guess today, again, if I'll just refresh it, I hope I get some sales because I need to recover the money. Yeah, so it's 121 right now. And again, I just checked. So today I just ran in the evening the ads. With 2 clicks I got 121. Okay, so again, this is something which I really love. So again, hopefully by tomorrow I'm gonna make $1,000 a day. So this is just to give you an update, guys. It happened with me, it might happen with you as well. I realized it wasting $300 plus my Google ads account. Again, so on my Google ads account it said malicious software plus circumventing. So I didn't see because the ads was running for 3-4 days and I didn't realize it, and then again it just got banned. So I think so, hope you learn from my mistakes so you don't have to do the same thing again. And I think so that's it. Yavar Khan signing off.